Yo, what's up guys? It's Africa Tech and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm at Waterfall. It's in Midrand. Midrand is in Johannesburg. So I'm gonna take a walk and show you guys around. Today is the 27th of November 2021. It's in the afternoon. So you can see the Courtyard Hotel there on my right. As you know that hotels have really suffered during this pandemic. So yeah guys, Waterfall is fairly a new city. You can see that it's really well planned, really designed well. There's the Courtyard Hotel. You can see they've got sidewalks, the plants, lots of green. On my left is the Mall of Africa. There's the reception area of the hotel. So this side of the mall you can see is not that busy, but I'm gonna walk to the other side, to the main entrance. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. You can see it's still cloudy. So Waterfall City, guys, it falls under Midrand. Midrand is a city in the middle of, it's between Johannesburg and Pretoria. You can see some people just got off a taxi to the mall. It's a Saturday, so it's pretty busy inside the mall. But today I'm not going inside the mall. I've already done a video where I was inside the mall. So these buildings, guys, these are, we call them Ellipse executive apartments. You can come and buy here if you got the money. I saw on their website these buildings, they're like 80% sold, these apartments. So yeah, they're pretty in demand. There's the Courtyard Hotel from another angle. So yeah guys, this is how Waterfall looks like. You can see it's pretty clean, pretty well maintained, and actually still being developed. They're still doing some buildings, some construction is still being still happening. As you can see, the cranes there next to the Ellipse apartments. Still more construction happening. So it's gonna look dope when it's pretty completed. You see the pavement looks pretty clean, the sidewalks. So it's not just designed for cars, it's thought about pedestrians as well. It's pretty safe, there's security, there's There's cameras, so it's a pretty good area. You can see this side is pretty quiet because it's not the main entrance of the mall. I do like how they designed it. So they thought about people who walk, and they thought about maybe if you're a cyclist, there's enough room for somebody to walk on the sidewalk and for somebody to cycle. So I'm gonna cross over to the other side and I'm gonna walk down. You can see the PwC, the building. PwC, the auditing firm, one of the big auditing firms. There's the view of the Ellipse luxury apartments. And I read somewhere that PwC, they're gonna actually let some of the employees work from home like forever. So basically it's up to them if they want to come back to the office. I don't know if that's true or not. So every Sunday there is a market that takes place here in Waterfall, and the market sells different items, different clothing, different foods. There's music. There's a play area for children. They have lots of different activities that take place in the market. So every Sunday, today it's a Saturday, I'm gonna walk past the bridge. Assume that most people here have got cars, which you can see I'm the only one like walking right now. I like this LED lights, this bridge. So I'm gonna assume that every household around this area has got like a car. see the PwC building from a different angle. So there are a lot of corporations. They do have head offices around this area. A lot of multinational corporations. And as you walk around, you will see like cranes or maybe construction sites. It's because it's still being developed. You can see the N1 freeway from here. On my right here, that's the BMW testing center. So basically you can book to come and experience the BMW like advanced driving. Yeah guys, so you can see it's well planned. There's a bus stop there on my left, and there's different transportation modes. Uber is available. There's the Gautrain station is not far from here. You can get the bus for the Gautrain. The bus will take you to the station. And that's the entrance to the PwC building. So Waterfall, guys, is basically it was designed for people to work where they live. So basically work, play and live in the same area. You don't have to travel far or travel to the city center to work or to shop or to do whatever. It was designed for convenience. You can see the N1 freeway from here, and there's the Deloitte office. I think it's pretty much empty right now. You know, people have got a lot of corporations have got this work from home policy right now, even though some do coming back into the office right now. And some corporations have made it mandatory to get the jab. If you don't get the jab, you're not allowed to come back to the office. You probably could lose your job. You see the taxis. You see, even when they designed this mall, they did think about these taxis that take people to the townships. They created a spot, an area where they can come and park, drop people off, collect people off. So they've included everyone. They know that most of the people who are like who work in this mall, they live in the township. So they make sure that their transport is nearby and is accessible to them. So there's another hotel there on my right. That's the City Lodge Hotel. So you've got options when it comes to hotels. There's the Courtyard, there's the City Lodge. But yeah, like I said, hotels have been really struggling, or the hospitality industry in general has been really struggling since this pandemic started. And another thing is that there's these travel bans. So we've been put under these travel bans because of the new situation that's happening. Well, you can see, guys, a lot of people don't walk in this area. It's either they're driving or they're inside the mall or they're chilling in their apartments, or maybe I came at the wrong time. I think if I came maybe during the day, I would see a lot more people, maybe just walking. And this building in front of me has got a very interesting shape. Eh?
Yeah, I found that man. I told him he's just a.
Looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. This building here looks interesting. Okay, yeah, guys, this is how Waterfall looks like. Waterfall City. Just wanted to take a walk, show you guys the surroundings. Hope you liked the video. If you got any suggestions, you can put them down in the comment sections. So yeah, guys, um, hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys. You can see the sign Waterfall City. So I'm signing out from Waterfall City, and I will see you guys in the next video.